ಚಿಂತಾಮಣಿ, ನಾಟಕ ರತ್ನ, ಆದಿಕವಿ, ವರಕವಿ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಮಾರ್ಟಿನ್ ಲೂಥರ್, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಮಾರ್ಟಿನ್ ಲೂಥರ್, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಮಾರ್ಟಿನ್ ಲೂಥರ್, ಸಂತ ಕವಿ, ಯಲಹಂಕ ನಾಡಪ್ರಭು, ರಗಳೆ ಕವಿ, ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಪಿತಾಮಹ, ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಪಿತಾಮಹ. Where is your forehead? Forehead. Where is your eyebrow? Where is your nose? Where is your cheeks? Where is your chin? Where is your stomach? Where is your hands? Hands. Where is your fingers? Where is your nails? Where is your legs? Where is your elbow? Johnny. Where is your shoulder? Where is your shoulder? Where is your tongue? Where is your teeth?